told you to lick her with me. Oh, she's still licking it.
Well, she did a very good job cleaning her out too, so.
Yeah. You're the best mama I could ever have. Thank you. It's okay. Step on her. Step on her. I wonder what that means.
Talking to her.
How's she gonna get up now with that bucket over her head, huh?
She'll figure it out.
Oh, she's just licking her. Can I sit down with her?
When she's past her first poop, you get a bucket of placenta
Okay,
on her
Charlie.
hand.
Yeah, it's yours. That's yours, Mom.
She's excited.
I've never heard her like this.
No.
You gotta step on it.
There you go.
Good mama.
Good dear.
Are there any carrots or apples? That was food. We all know how much she loves her food. The baby's like, get out of my face. Look at those little tiny feet.
Okay.
The baby's shaking her. Man, she's got her nose right in there. Her butt cheeks are just shaking.
3 carrots.
It's almost like she can't believe she has a baby. Child.
I think she's kind of surprised, yeah.